What else will we be doing on a Sunday in the middle of February in a gale force wind when you're coming down the M5? Yeah, we just got off and thought, yeah, let's get into Highbridge Caravans and have a look around, see what they got. So let's just have a little browse down through. Oh, what's Caroline saying? Oh, so we've they got all these lovely little caravans from the Opus trailer tents down to these little tiny, look at this, look, mini 270, look, what a beauty. What a beauty. Oh, the Opus, yeah. Mad stuff. What's it like in there?
You can't see it.
No, it's all like dark, innit? You can see a table and stuff.
I like these, but they've got that.
Oh yeah, got all the gear on the front, that.
Yeah, toilet front.
Yeah. LPG, look. Grey water tank. So nice. Looks proper all-terrain, doesn't it? Lovely, lovely in the blue. Little legs underneath. Opuscamper.com. All the different colour, grey, blue, orange. Right, let's have another little mosey on down. So we're just coming down here. They got Chanson, Swift, Sun Living. I remember we looked at the Select before. Sun Living. 140 Fiat automatic. Sleeps 4. 6.36 meters. Lux pack, 120 watt solar panel. Lovely in the black.
I like the dark glass because you can't see it.
Oh yeah. So it's part of Adria, that one, by Adria Mobile. That.
Watch that. What size?
Let's get around the 6.36. Look at these trailer tents, look. Compass 21 plate 47995. Compass Avant-Garde Dreamer. Swift. Red Swift looks nice, doesn't it? Beautiful colour. Check out the colour of the Swift here, Select 122. Looks a beautiful looking thing, that.
Oh, what's happened to the window?
Might be a bit of storm damage or something. Yeah, looks like they've had a bit of a breakage on this one. Yeah, we'll just rip round, see what they got. So we're down to some of the second-hand ones down here now. Hobby 13 plate 41 Auto Trail. Hey. Oh, the Opus off-road. Oh, the off-roader. Look, he's got a motor mover on there as well. Look, got a proper little guard around the front of it. Look, protecting all your water containers. Box on there. Look at that. Look, they're lovely, aren't they? They are nice. The size of this Rapido, my God, that's a bit over the top, that length. Bit over the top for us. Island bed, 106 now on. Overall length, 8.79 meters, nearly 9 meters. Swifty. Couple of little Sundances, 39, 38. All looking for a good home. Auto sleeper. Yeah, so we thought we'd just have a quick little rake around and show you what's available. Up here at the moment, there's a nice little Escape 644, very similar to Mr. James Royley from Motorhome Happiness. A bit like yours, James. 30 grand. A little mosey in through here. Oh, so yeah, I'm gonna little mosey up through the middle here because there's some. Oh, this Adria looks pretty fantastic. What we got here then? We got the Swift Selects. Oh, that's a sold one there for 75. Got the big Adria Sonic. I think this is a 7.5. What's this one? 749. So 7.5 Sonic. That's a nice bit of kit. That I can see the bed arrangements inside. So beautiful Sonic. Yeah, he's a nice motorhome, that one. Looking in through, don't know if we can see in through there. Beautiful upholstery. Is he locked up? Is he? Yeah, he's all locked up.
It's got a towing hitch on it.
It's all a bit locked up. Winter locked down. Everything's hunkered down.
Is it so? It's got a towing hitch.
Rapido. Oh, vehicle on hold probably for somebody, that one. Chansons. Plenty of chansons still available. New chansons coming through. Oh, there's that, we looked at that one before, that funny looking thing. That, what was that one? That was that chanson exclusive thing. What else they got? So we got Adria, Bailey, couple of auto trails. Got the Burstner down there. What's the Burstner? Let's have a look at the Burstner. IXEO. Oh, got this like stone shipper thing on the front. Look, I haven't seen one of them before.
Oh yeah, I've seen some.
Stone shipper thing on the front.
Good idea.
7 meters. Drop down bed and end washroom on this one. Nice bit of chrome on the front. Have a look at the back end. There's the IXEO. Auto sleeper on the end, Wiltshire. Oh, there's another one with a guard on the front. That this auto trail.
I think it's a good idea. Are you going to get one for us?
Do we need one of these?
Yes.
Do we need one of these? It's a auto accessories capper.
I think it's a good idea.
Yeah, stops those stone ships.
Yeah.
Bit of a.
We'll have to get one.
We'll have to have a look. Capper, who's got one of them? No, not many new ones here. No, they must be hiding all the Heimers from us.
The new ones that are coming on.
We saw a lovely Heimer up there at Bath, and we thought, oh, we'll nip in and see if there's any Heimers. Got Dreamer there, that Dreamer. So literally just a quick wander round, see what's hiding away here in the wind and rain at Highbridge. Yeah, we got a bit saw that Heimer up there, and 7 meter Heimer, and it looked absolutely. And on the number plate, it was a Highbridge number plate, so we knew it was from down here. So, oh yeah, we got some V-dubs here. Look, 20 plate there. They're nice. Oh, look at that! Look at that. They look nice. It's a nice selection of VWs. All looking for a good home. Back on the Sun Livings. Def lefts there on the end. What's that one then? Let's have a look at it. New 2022. 7.4 meters. 70. This open? It's got a... Yes. Let's have a look in the def lefts. So I saw the... I could see in through it. I could see the bed arrangement.
It's got a big garage.
Like ours there, look. So let's just have a little look around.
Oh, it's got a drop-down bed.
We're getting... oh yeah, and it's got the electric... It's probably like the electric, is it? Electric bed up here, up the top. Just having a little look. We're getting us in the mood for the Motorhome show next week. Got a massive display now, look. Must be the new style display.
But for me, this drop-down bed, we don't need it.
No, if you don't need a drop-down bed, it's no good whatsoever. You're better off with that headroom. We still like a Burstner. We still like a Burstner. Yeah. It's a beautiful bit of kit. It's a beautiful bit of kit. Looking down through. What's this like? Little sink. Toilet. Shower over that side. Nice big lounge space. Right, I think we're out of here really. Silver fronted fridge. So that's the just 90 just. Def left. Right on. So there's our little Burstner parked over in the car park, all on its own. So we're going to go back and give him some love. He always gets worried when we get to Highbridge. We're loving this little rockabilly Ariba. I remember seeing one of these at the show. 32,520 rockabilly touring lot. What a beautiful little bit of kit. Look at the colour on that. Bike rack on the front. Little wind out Thule awning on the side, sat up there. What a beauty. Proper summer vibe there. Absolutely, look at it. On a nasty day in February. Right, we're back, we're out of here now. We're going home. Let's get home, Brits and video.